Can you hear me clearly? Okay. Yes, I want you everybody to get up. Just get up. We have to wake up a little bit. Just get up, get up. Now I want you to do your arms 90 degrees. Get your arms in 90 degrees. Yes, we're going to do the Zumba class afterwards. Okay, now 90 degrees. And as you're here, now turn to your right. Turn to your right. And do massage to the person in front of you. Just do it, 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 do it. Now turn to the other side and do them again. Okay, now stay up, stay up, stay up. Put your smiling face on and get ready for a selfie, okay? Ready? Get your hands up, get your hands up. Up, 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 up. Smile. Great. Okay. Thank you. I can do that before the 25th of May. After the 25th of May, you cannot do it actually. So now I don't have to get your approval to post the picture in all of my social media. Okay. Okay. Now, who knows ABBA? Dancing Queen, Mamma Mia, raise your hand. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Yes, exactly, because we are Adonis Business Academy. I was just checking out who is over 40. Why you raise your hand? Okay. We started in 1999 with a solo purpose to help entrepreneurs, people and business to reach their goals. That's our mission. And when you have a clear mission of helping others, that's how you get results. So the major focus of every single business is how to help other people. Because the more you care about other people, the more you assist them, the more you try to help them to reach their goals, the more you get towards accomplishing your own goals. So every business should have a mission to assist other companies. Why this is not working? Okay, that's great. Really quick, we have a digital marketing and sales diploma. I'm not going to promote it because Natalia, she's going to kill me. She always say, don't promote your stuff, Adonis, but I cannot help it because I really believe that I can help people, okay? So I'm just going to go through it. My name is Richard Gear, actually. I'm not Adonis, but I go with the name Adonis Anastasiou because I don't want people to come and shake my hands all the time and say, hey, what's your next movie, okay? I'm an approved trainer by the Human Resource Authority of Cyprus. I've studied in California State University. But in the years 2013, 14, 15, and 16, for 4 consecutive years, we managed to organize the most number of seminars in Cyprus. I'm telling that not for anybody to tell me, well done or bravo. I'm telling that to show you that we're trying to apply whatever we're teaching. So because there is a big gap between theory and practice, so whatever we're doing, we're trying to reach that gap between theory, put it into practice, see what's working, then share it to the knowledge, and see what's not working, and then just tell them, just don't do it. Now, let's get with the 6 tips on how to sell through social media. The first tip I borrowed from Steve Jobs, who said, think different. I just add the think and act different. Because thinking is not enough. You have to take actions. And when you make different stuff, when you do a little bit, crazy stuff on social media, then you start grabbing people's attention. Because there is a lot of noise out there. There is a lot of posts. There is millions of posts in Facebook, in LinkedIn, in Instagram. There is stories now. So there is a lot of content out there. So how you stand out from the crowd? By being different, okay? That's why Lady Gaga show up at the meeting with a meat on her head. Remember that? Because that's how because she wants to get people's attention. So of course you're not going to come up with a meat on your head as a hat. But when you do those different kind of stuff, you get people attention. So that's my first tip. Do different stuff, put your own personality, being crazy, do the funky chicken stuff, do something that you grab people's attention. But whatever you're doing, you have to be in line with your mission. You have to be in line with your own personality. You have to share it with your own voice. So for example, if you're a serious guy, don't do stupid stuff, but do something different, okay? Tip number 2, omnipresent. Omnipresence means you have to be in all social media, or at least at the social media that you can control at all times. That's how you make an impact. By tweeting, by doing one post a day, or just one every 5 days, people will not know about your business. And the number one problem of business today is obscurity. Nobody knows about our little business. So in order to get your message out there, you have to be omnipresent. You have to be in all social media at all times. So for example, if you check my own account, not the Richard Gere, the Adonis Anastasiou one, you're going to see that I have a picture with you now, right now, on Facebook stories, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, yes, you become famous, you just become famous. So you have to be omnipresent in all social media at all times. Now, I'm going to make a test just like Theo Harris did. I want you to raise your hand if you're looking to buy a mobile phone. Just raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're looking to buy a mobile phone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your hand if you want to buy a laptop. Raise your hand. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Raise your hand if you're looking to buy a car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. If you're looking, let's make it more difficult. You're helping me out, guys. Who is looking to buy a house? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that even some people, they want to make my life difficult and say, even though I want to buy a computer, I'm not going to raise my hand, so I'm going to make his life difficult. But actually, you're helping me out, because the pyramid of the market says that only 0.5 to 3% of your target market is actually actively looking to buy your product or service, okay? So it's only 0.5 to 3%. So whatever you're selling, even if it's a piece of land on the moon, there is a 0.5 to 3% that are actively looking right now to buy your product and service. There is a 7%, just like everybody here, who are thinking of buying something. For example, now it's summertime, so maybe you're thinking to buy a new, swimsuit or new flip-flops or whatever. We have something in our minds that we're thinking about it, but since it's not that of a necessity, it's not a problem, we can postpone it for a couple of months. That's the 7%. There is 20% who they are not thinking about it, but if you see your post, they will say, that's interesting. So for example, I'm not thinking of traveling to the Canary Islands, but when I see an advertisement, that's a good place. Maybe that's where I should go next summer, okay? And 70%, but that's the problem, 70% of your potential customers are not thinking about your product or service right now. So what's the next step? What you should do about it, especially if you're thinking about promoting your product in Cyprus for the Cypriots. You have to spend money on advertising. Posting, unfortunately, it's not enough. You have to spend money. So for example, who raised their hand, interested to buy an apartment? Who raised their hand? Okay, one person here. So if I do a post and only those people see the advertisement, am I going to make any sales if I'm a real estate agent? No. If I post and these people see it? No. If I post and those people see it? No. So what I should do? I should expand my reach, so I'll get the person who's interested to buy now. I will get the person who's interested to buy after one month, after 3 months, after 6 months, after 1 year. That's why we have to spend money on advertising. Just posting is not enough, okay? Tip number 4, you have to set up your ads correctly. Don't pay for impressions. You have a pen? Write it down. Don't pay for impressions. Pay only for clicks or leads. So when you get people to your website, that's the only reason to pay. Or leads is when people give you their contact information. So only pay for clicks or leads. And there is a way to set up your ads on Facebook, actually in all social media, where you don't pay for impressions, you pay for clicks. So what you're doing by setting up the advertisements correctly, you show your advertisement to as many people as you can, but you only pay for those who are interested for your product, okay? And that's what that's what I'm gonna show you tomorrow. Even Facebook, this is, I don't know if you can read it, but here it says Facebook ads. Facebook is advertising and it's paying for clicks, they're paying cost per click on Google. So now imagine, Facebook, they're not paying for impressions, they're paying for clicks, okay? Tip number 5, engage with your audience. Because when you engage, then people remember you for a longer period of time. So engagement is really important. So let me do a small really exercise before we go to the next. You don't have to just get up, just make your hands like this with the thumbs up. Make your thumbs like, watch out the glass, okay, thumbs up. Now turn your thumbs down, Put your left hand over your right one and grab it, okay? You have to grab it, hold it there, okay? Now, turn it up. Come on. Okay, I will show you the trick tomorrow, okay? That's engagement. If I put you to do stuff, you're gonna remember me more than if I just talk about you. And that gets me to the tip number 6. Give gifts. Not just valuable stuff, give gifts away, okay? And because we want to bridge the theory from practice, that's why, just take a picture of this link right here, register, and I'm gonna give 2 free participations to our upcoming seminar, Certified Social Media Manager, which is gonna be on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of April, and it's gonna be in English, okay? And then tomorrow, I'm gonna give more free gifts, more free participation away. Thank you so much.